Hello, how are you? Many people need to manage their blood sugar. This could be due to diabetes, prediabetes, polycystic ovary syndrome, insulin resistance, or simply to improve weight, health, and quality of life. With that in mind, I am sharing a 100% natural drink you can make at home to support blood sugar control. Drinking it just once a day can bring noticeable results. Stick around until the end because you won't want to miss this. Before I explain what this drink is, how to make it, and when to take it, tell me in the comments if you have any of these conditions and your age. Also, give this video a like. It really helps because it shows support and trust in the content, which is very important. The base of this drink is hibiscus tea, which is excellent even for evening consumption. Hibiscus tea is beneficial because at night we usually produce less insulin, and some people experience morning hypoglycemia. This is known as the dawn phenomenon, which is a normal physiological response. It's linked to cortisol and adrenaline spikes in the morning, helping us wake up and get moving. Everyone experiences it, but those with some insulin resistance feel it more strongly and may have higher blood sugar spikes. Hibiscus tea can help reduce this morning spike and increase insulin sensitivity overnight. Hibiscus is rich in anthocyanins, the antioxidants that give it a reddish hue, and they help regulate insulin sensitivity. It also slows carbohydrate absorption in the intestine, reducing post-meal glucose spikes. The second ingredient is cinnamon. It pairs well with hibiscus and has been widely studied for glucose control. Compounds in cinnamon mimic insulin activity, helping glucose enter cells more easily. Regular cinnamon intake may reduce fasting blood sugar and improve glycated hemoglobin in people with insulin resistance. It also adds a fragrant, flavorful touch while supporting blood sugar regulation. Another powerful ingredient is psyllium. If you don't have psyllium, ground chia or flax seeds can work, but psyllium is ideal. Psyllium is a high-quality soluble fiber that absorbs water and forms a gel, slowing food passage from the stomach to the intestine and into the bloodstream. This prevents glucose spikes. It also helps lower LDL and total cholesterol, supports gut bacteria, reduces intestinal inflammation, and improves insulin sensitivity. Additionally, psyllium promotes satiety, helping reduce nighttime snacking. The final ingredient is apple cider vinegar. Even in small amounts, it can slow gastric emptying, helping sugar enter the bloodstream more gradually, which reduces glucose spikes and stabilizes energy. Taking it at night may also improve insulin sensitivity while sleeping. Now for the quantities. Start by making hibiscus tea. Boil water. Add a teaspoon of hibiscus flower to a large glass. Pour a cup of boiling water, and let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes until it turns a deep cherry color with a raspberry-like taste. Strain the tea and set it aside. If you prefer, you can chill it or add ice cubes. Then, add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, a pinch of cinnamon, and a teaspoon of psyllium. Mix well. Ideally, drink this 20 minutes before dinner. By the time dinner comes, the psyllium will help you feel full, and the vinegar will help control blood sugar, supporting better appetite management and more stable glucose overnight. This drink is naturally tasty, so there's no need to add sugar. If you want, a few drops of stevia are fine because it doesn't affect blood sugar. I recommend trying it as is first. I also have resources on controlling blood sugar, including foods that help or hinder glucose management. Check the links in the description. Try the recipe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and share it with anyone who could benefit from it. Let's spread this chain of good together. See you next time.